So last time when I made this 3D animation tutorial using Canva, and this is the video which I made, so many people commented and requested me to make it for free because Canva is a pro feature. So today I'll be making this image along with the video animation fully for free without any watermark. So let's start with it. So first I will come to ChatGPT, and I have opened a free account in ChatGPT, and here I will click on create an image, and here I will click on this auto and change it to widescreen. Okay, and here I will write a 3D cartoon image of a girl sitting on a beach and making sand castle. Okay, this is a very short prompt which I have to write, and after that click on send prompt. Okay, and this is the image which is created, and after that you need to click on this icon here and you need to download it. Okay, so the image is downloaded. Now we need to animate it. So to animate the image, I will come to Meta AI and again open a free account using the same mail ID which I have used to open my Facebook account. Okay, and after that I will click on create video. Okay, and here I will write create a video from my photo frame, must be static, but animate it as the girl smiling and making the sand castle. Okay, so this is the prompt you have to write. When the prompt writing is complete, make sure you write the frame must be static part, otherwise the video generation will not come properly. So this you have to write, and after that click on this plus icon and just upload the image which you just created in ChatGPT and click on here. Now only making this video work, the animation is not complete because the video will come with a watermark and you have to remove it. So the process will be also shared in some time when the video generation is complete. So this is the video as you can see in here. So this video is coming without any watermark, but when you download it, so when you download clicking this icon, and this is the video which you see, the icon of Meta AI is coming in the right hand side, in the top right hand side, and next coming in the lower part here. So we need to remove it. So for that you don't need to click on this download icon, click on this share icon, and clicking in here click on copy link. Now after that come to versewithsaver.com, the best way to download Meta AI video without any watermark. Okay, just scroll down to find here which says paste Meta AI video link here, and just Ctrl V to paste the link, and you can click on this download Meta AI video here, and it will take some time to process the link, and after that it will start a 15-second timer, and when the timer is done the video will be auto downloaded. If it doesn't auto download, just click on it, so it will be downloaded like this. So this time as you can see, the video comes without the watermark and you can use it for your own content creation. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned how to make the video and how to make the image and create the whole process without watermark. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments, and I'll meet you in another tutorial next day. Thank you.